Hello guys, today we are back with Cats Are Liquid. Today we are playing 10 and 5 parts or 3 because the video is being longer. Well, maybe you don't like it guys, okay? Okay, maybe it is 3 parts. We are going this time 3 parts because the parts get harder and harder. Okay, yes, we did it. Okay, cats are liquid, cats are liquid, cats are liquid. Oh, yes, we dodged. Oh, come on, I literally dodged it. Okay, being fast. Okay, go fast, go fast. And yes, we did it. We did it, guys. And oh, yes. And this room was a bit weird as it only went horizontally. I don't know how to read that. Okay. Going a little bit. Oh. One down, 2 to go. Or 4 to go. We don't know. Okay, go a little bit fast. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay. Yum. I ate all of it. Oh, no. Yes. Okay, 2 down, 1 to go. There is one more level. Oh no. Okay, be a little bit faster, and faster. And yes, you are going so fast and faster. Just go faster. Yes, faster. Oh! We don't need to go faster. Maybe the next room would only go virtually. Okay, I think there would be 5 parts because it's not a very long time. As soon as she entered the room, okay, she noticed that she was correct. Oh, yes. Okay. The only who designed this must have to run out of ideas. Oh. Okay. Oh, no. I need to be a little bit more be careful. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, no. No. Yes. And we. Oh, that was so hard, guys. Okay, just go a little bit more faster. Oh, maybe don't go faster, guys. Oh! Okay, peaceful and easy. Okay. Oh, okay. A little bit more Okay, a little bit more slower. This is going to be easy if I do it more slowly. Okay, yes, I skipped that. No, I didn't skip. Oh, come on, this is so hard, guys. I mean, I'm not just kidding. I know the ads are so easy on YouTube, but on this one is hard. Oh, yes. No. And no. Yes. I did it, guys. I did it. Okay, jump. Oh, come on. Okay, I just need to practice a little bit more. Okay, yes, we did. Oh, come on. No, but yes, oh, okay. Yes, I did it, guys. Did you see that? I did it. Okay. Oh, but this level is so hard, guys. You don't know how hard it is, but it is hard. Okay. Okay. Ah, come on, guys. Try this on yourself, guys. Say if this is hard or easy. Okay, yes, yes. I did it. No, I still didn't did it. Oh, come on. But this part is so hard. Okay, yes, I did it. Ah, no! Come on. Okay. Okay, yes. Yes. No. Yes. Oh. Oh. Okay, I think I'm going to put this for the next part because this is so hard. I tried like 15 or 10 times. Well, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get 1K subscribers in like a year or a couple months. But thank you for watching video.